The Segway Ninebot Kick Scooter Max is one of the best reviewed and one of the easiest scooters to use that I've ever tried. You can go 18.6 miles per hour. It has a 40.4 mile range. You can go up hills. It has a 550 watt battery. It can support people of all sizes, and it has 10-inch pneumatic tires. You can see how easy it is for me to make it. It took less than 5 minutes to construct this. There's also a few screws. So this is the app, and this is what's cool about the app. The app on the Segway, let me roll my Segway over. So we're rolling to you just using the Segway. And it is going to give you this speed. Watch this. It's giving you this speed that I'm rolling to you. Right? It's giving you the speed that I roll to you. I think it's a dual brake system. Is it a dual brake? Yeah, it comes with a dual brake system. So this has electrical and mechanical. So that's a better safety feature. It has the built-in front LED lights. It will also come with a max slope of 20% and is IPX5 weather resistant. So you can use this when it's raining. Now, can you drop this into a lake? No. Doesn't that info appear on the panel at the handles? Yes. So it does come on the handles. However, it lets you do this because you might want to record your path, right? So you have the option to record the route you took. So this is as adult toy as it gets, right? Because now we're showing you something that is, I mean, in terms of price, no, Neptune, don't go outside. We don't want you missing. My cat is like dying to go outside. Fine. Neptune, if you go outside, you gotta come back really fast. So you're gonna see my cat, he's like, I'm going outside. But this Segway represents the Ninebot. You connect with it using your app. The coolest thing about this app is that all the functionality you get is gonna be right here, and I'm gonna show you it. So this is the app itself, right? You get to see your range, you get to see your battery life, you get to, I'm reconnecting using Bluetooth to my device because I have to turn it on. You get to record your first ride, it gives you cruise mode. It also has all these social media services on it where you get to see other people, how they're utilizing their Segway. So this guy, this woman, Kick Scooter Max, went daily ranking 63. She went 13.8 kilometers today. Whoa. And her total mileage, this woman has traveled 1,041.9 kilometers since she got her Kick Scooter Max. And we have the Kick Scooter Max, the Max version. So this Max version, the Max, I believe there's two versions. You can get one. We have the one that's 18.6 miles per hour. You can also get the one that goes about 16 miles per hour for about $100 less. So this is as cool as it gets. I mean, it's just really as cool as it gets. The tires are super cool. If you roll it across different surfaces, you won't even notice because this kind of suspension system with the regenerative two-type braking, you have mechanical and electrical for safety. So you're going to have an easier time utilizing it, maintaining it, and having a good time taking it around with you.